More than 1,000 Imperial Valley residents came out to the solar job fair today. Nick Chavez was one of them. He's been unemployed for almost 6 months now. Like everyone else who filled out an application today, Nick is hoping that he's the one that they will hire. Solar companies are looking to hire 300 people. Nick says that not having a job and not being able to fully support his family has been stressful.
You worry about bills and, well, clothes and stuff like that, little things, and, well, also big things. But it's pretty tough out there.
The Imperial Valley Economic Development Corporation sponsored today's job fair. Positions available range from forklift operators to electricians. Like Chavez, Jesus Amador Alvarado is also competing to get a job. It's been really hard. I haven't worked in 2.5 years. I really want to find a job already. Times are bad and it gets worse every day. I'm hoping that I find it here. With plenty of land and plenty of sunshine, IVEDC Vice President Sean Wilcock says that renewable energy is the perfect gateway to bring jobs, which in turn will result in an economic boost for the entire Imperial Valley.
It's a new emerging industry here locally that is, really finally coming to fruition this year, 2012. We've got several projects that are under construction, and we're really making those connections for the local contractors and employees.
Being local is the key word. Wilcox says that his company is focusing on hiring Imperial Valley residents first.
We're trying to connect local contractors with these opportunities so that they can hire additional employees to handle the workload.
As for Chavez and his chances of getting a job, he says he simply wants an opportunity to show him that he is qualified for more than just one job.
I got my commercial driver's license, so I have experience driving, so hopefully I'll get a job driving a truck, watering, whatever they need,
Right now, plans have been finalized to build 2 renewable energy facilities in Imperial County. Officials tell me that there are plans to build 20 more in the next couple of years, which could bring thousands of new jobs to the area. Reporting in Holtville, I'm Jose Martinez, KSWT News 13.